हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू योर ओन चैनल स्टडी विद अलका कंटवाल। आपका चैनल में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। जो चैनल में पहली बार आ रहे हैं उनके लिए एक ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन। आई एम अलका कंटवाल। द चैनल इज एन एजुकेशनल चैनल। तो अगर आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स की तैयारी कर रहे हैं तो जाके डेफिनेटली डिफरेंट प्लेलिस्ट को चेकआउट कीजिए और चैनल को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल भी ना भूलें। तो अभी हाल फिलहाल में तो वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट EAMRS JSA एग्जाम, जो टियर 2 का एग्जाम है। पूरा जो आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव एंड डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर आएगा। सो ऑलरेडी आई हैव अपलोडेड वन सेशन ऑन ऑब्जेक्टिव, आज दूसरा सेशन है। एंड आई हैव प्रिपेयर्ड द डिस्क्रिप्टिव सेशंस ऑल्सो, कि जो एक क्वेश्चन 4 मार्क्स का है उस हिसाब से भी सेशंस आएंगे। सो अगर आप उसके लिए फर्स्ट ईयर अगर आपने क्वालिफाई कर लिया है तो डेफिनेटली चैनल से जुड़ जाइए, बिकॉज इससे रिलेटेड बहुत सारे सेशंस अपलोड होंगे। So let us get started. Today we are talking about a objective session only. Tomorrow there will be a subjective session coming up. So today we are talking about important questions, okay, from the objective part, okay. So let's start. Which number system is used internally by computer? Is obviously the binary number system which is used, right? Okay. So yes, the answer to this question is, just hold on, is binary. Now let us talk about, okay, just hold on. Okay. So now let us talk about which of the following is not a hardware: monitor, keyboard, printer, and Windows. So Windows is the operating system. So C is the correct answer होगा, that which is not a hardware. So yes, option C is the correct answer. So just hold on. So इसका आंसर क्या होगा? C, ऑप्शन C हमारा इसका सही आंसर होगा। That क्योंकि monitor, keyboard, printer, all these are the hardware. Okay. So yes, Windows is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer to the question. आगे बढ़ते हैं। Which memory is the fastest? RAM, रोम, कैश और हार्ड डिस्क? हार्ड डिस्क और कैश में सबसे फास्टेस्ट है हमारा कैश मेमोरी। ऑप्शन सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर होगा। आउटपुट ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन इज नोन एज, द इनपुट डेटा होता है, द आउटपुट ऑफ द कंप्यूटर इज द इंफॉर्मेशन। सो ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन। Which signal converts the digital signals to the analog signals? So for this, the correct answer is modem. Modem is known as the modulator and demodulator. So yes, it converts the digital signals to the analog signal and then analog to digital as per the requirement. Okay. Which supercomputer is actually, you already know, supercomputer is generally used for the scientific purposes. So option A is the correct answer. बिट का मतलब क्या होता है? बिट 0 और 1 को बोलते हैं। ऑप्शन ए बाइनरी डिजिट इज द करेक्ट आंसर टू दिस क्वेश्चन। सो ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Which operating system is used in mobile phone? So it is the Android operating system. So C is the correct answer. Which operating system manages the CPU? Okay, which system manages the CPU type? So it is operating system, because the time of the scheduling and everything is the responsibility of OS. So operating system इसका correct answer होगा। GUI मतलब क्या होता है? Graphical User Interface. So option B is the correct answer. Which operating system feature allows multitasking? It is the time sharing system of the operating system which allows the multitasking. Option C is the correct answer. DOS is an example of single user operating system. ठीक है, DOS है single user operating system. Option C is the correct answer. Which command is used to view all the files in DOS? So dir is the command which is used to view files in DOS. So answer होगा option B. Which Microsoft Word feature records document changes? Option A, that is track changes. That is the correct answer. Which Excel symbol starts a formula? So option C is the correct answer. Equal to symbol starts a formula in Excel, right? What is the maximum rows in Excel worksheet in modern version? It is more than 1 million. So option B can be the correct answer, one more than 1 million. Which chart is best for comparison purpose? Obviously, it is the bar chart which is best for the comparison purpose. So C is the correct answer. Slide master. The concept of slide master is used for formatting slides. So option B is the correct answer to the question. Default extension of Excel file. What is the default extension? .xlsx. So that is the correct answer. Which tool aligns the text in Microsoft Word? Aligns, तो obviously alignment ही होगा. Alignment के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. Yes, left, center, right and justify. Which shortcut saves a file? Control plus S is the shortcut to save a file. The shortcut to select all the text, Control plus A is the shortcut to select all the text. Control plus P अगर हम करते हैं तो क्या होता है? Print preview. So yes, option C is the correct answer. Yes. Shortcut to open the run dialog. So window button plus R, that is your run dialog box. Control plus Y is for redo. Control plus Z is for undo. So option B is the correct answer. Alt plus F4 closes the active window. Active window को close करता है. So option C is the correct answer. What is the function key to refresh the screen? Option B, that is F5 is the correct answer to this question. Yes. And WAN covers a large geographical area. cities के बीच में एक building में LAN होता है. WAN is large geographical areas, wide area network. MAC address क्या होता है? It is basically a physical address. ठीक है, जैसे कि 6 बाइट का होता है मैक एड्रेस. सो 6 बाइट मतलब 48 बिट्स का, मतलब 1 बाइट इज इक्वल टू 8 बिट्स. सो 6 बाइट मीन्स 6 into 8, that is 48 bits. Okay, just remember this point as well. Which protocol send emails? So SMTP is the protocol. Simple mail transfer protocol is used to send the emails. Which device reduces the network traffic? Switch. Among this, switch is the device which sends the data to that particular destination. So option B is the correct answer to the question. Trojan horse is a malware which is disguised as legitimate. Option C is the correct answer. HTTPS में क्या security method होता है? वो encryption use करता है. So it uses encryption. Which is an example of social engineering? So phishing, wherein social media and mails के through generally the people are made to believe that it is a legitimate source. So phishing example. DNS क्या करता है? Domain name system. It converts the domain name into the URL into the IP address. Uniform locator को IP. Okay, so DNS is the character based addressing system. Character based addressing system को DNS बोलते हैं और number based addressing system को IP address बोलते हैं. ठीक है, so yes, DNS converts the URL to IP. Which is a search engine? Chrome, no, it is a browser. Firefox, a browser. Google is a search engine and Edge is again a browser. तो Google है इसका correct answer. Two-step verification, it uses password plus OTP. Which symbol is mandatory in the email address? Obviously @. So first we are having email address में username होता है @ and then we are having domain name, right? So जैसे xyz@gmail.com. So XYZ is the username, Gmail is the domain name and .com is the extension. Yes. So uploading means we are sending the data to the internet. So option A will be the correct answer to it. Okay. Browser cache stores the temporary files. So yes, option B is the correct answer. Which is not a cloud service? Software as a service है, infrastructure as a service है, platform as a service है. Option D नहीं है. BIOS is stored in the ROM. It is also known as the firmware, but it is not a cloud service. VPN किस लिए यूज होता है? प्राइवेसी के लिए यूज होता है. ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट होगा. Which malware replicates itself? Worm replicates itself. What is the full form of TCP? Transmission Control Protocol. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Browser history stores the whatever are the visited websites. So option B is the correct answer. Which attack floods the network traffic. So it is your DOS, that is denial of service attack. So option B is the correct answer. Which is the safest practice? Sharing password, no. Weak password, no. Regular update, yes. Ignoring alert, wrong. Cyber law deals with internet crimes, yes. Cyber law. And yes, this is it for today. But stay tuned because lots of important sessions. And if you go and check in the playlist, तो already बहुत सारे sessions हैं कंप्यूटर वाले में. ये तो मैं अलग से प्लेलिस्ट में बना रही हूँ जिसमें और बहुत सारे सेशंस अपलोड होंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द सिलेबस, अकॉर्डिंग टू द डिस्क्रिप्टिव थिंग. So yes, join the channel and stay tuned. God bless and all the very best. Take care. Bye bye. God bless.